Welcome everyone. Now we will make predictions using time series forecasting. Here we have a dataset about the stock price of a company called Bajaj. So in this dataset, my target it will be BWAP, which means volume weight average prices. The others like high price, low price, last price, close price will be my independent features, which we will use to train our model and get our predictions. First, we need to set our date as an index. Now let's see our dataset. We set our date as an index because this will help to us to make a temporary ordering. Now we will check our columns. Let's make a plot about our target feature. Now we can see how increased so much and then had a drawfall. Interesting. Now let's check the shape. So we have 5070 rows and 14 columns. Now we will check our missing values. So we have many missing values in trades. Well, let's delete these missing values. Let's check again. Now we can see that there are no missing values. So let's check again the shape. So we can see that we dropped almost the half of our total rows. And well, we will make now a copy of our dataset. And check our data types. We can see that our independent features and our target are in a correct data type, which means that we can use this without problems for training our model. Let's continue preparing our data. Let's check our columns. So now I can use these features for make my login. I will make a list. Let's also define the size of our windows. So now, what I am going to do is iterate on each and every feature. And now I will apply my rolling concept as well as my moving average concept. Let's storage this. Now let's do it the same with the standard deviation. Let's check our dataset. We can see now our new features. Now these features will be so useful to make our predictions. Let's see our total columns. Let's check our data shape. And then our missing values. We don't have so much missing values, so let's drop them. Let's check our columns again. So let's create a list which contains all these new features. Now I will create our training data and testing data. So I will use the first 1800 rows for my training data and the rest for my testing data. Let's check now the training data. We will use this data for training our model. Now we will use ARIMA model, AutoARIMA. Let's define our model. This trace will be useful because it brings detailed information about the model selection process. We can see here how AutoARIMA find the best values in order we can get the best results. So let's ignore the warnings. We will import the warning package. So now we will make our predictions. For the end periods, we will use the length of our testing data. And let's storage this. So let's see the values. We can see our predictions here. Now we will store this in our testing data. We will create another column in our dataset. Now we can compare our predictions with our actual data. We will make a plot for comparing. So let's set a good size to be able to appreciate it without any problems. Now we can see on the graph the difference between our prediction and the actual. Seems like Arima did a good job. Now we will import metrics to evaluate our model. Let's print the mean squared error. The mean square error value indicates the average square difference between the actual and predict values. Now we will print the mean absolute error. Now we can see that our mean absolute error is 124. The mean absolute error value indicates that on average the predictions are off by 124 units from the actual values. So, with this result we can see that Arima did a good job. Thank you for reaching the end of the video. I will keep uploading more projects and content related to data analysts and data scientists. I will leave the link of the notebook on my GitHub. See you.